In this video, you'll learn how to write effective prompts for Kimi AI. By following these steps, you will be able to create prompts that yield better responses from the AI, enhancing your overall experience. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. This can be done by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of Kimi AI, which includes various options for interaction. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Websites. This button is typically found on the main page. After selecting this option, the screen will refresh to show different website-related features available in Kimi AI. After that, click on the section titled Docs. This section contains tools and resources that are essential for writing effective prompts. Once you click on this, you will be directed to a new page displaying various document-related options. Following this, select the option labeled Slides. This will allow you to access additional features related to presentation materials. The screen will update to show the slides interface, which is designed for creating visual content. Now proceed by clicking on the option named Sheets. This section is where you can create and manage spreadsheets, which can be useful for organizing information related to your prompts. The interface will change to reflect the Sheets functionality. Next, select the Deep Research option. This feature provides advanced tools for gathering information that can enhance your prompts. After clicking, you will see a new interface that focuses on research capabilities. Continue by clicking on Kimi Code. This option allows you to utilize coding features that can help in structuring your prompts effectively. The screen will transition to a coding environment tailored for Kimi AI. Then click on Kimi Claw. This tool was designed to help refine and improve your prompts. Once you click on this option, the interface will change to provide tools specifically aimed at enhancing prompt quality. Next, navigate to the chat history section by clicking on it. This feature allows you to review past interactions with Kimi AI, which can provide insights into how to formulate better prompts. You will be redirected to a page displaying your chat history. After reviewing your chat history, click on the New Chat button. This action will initiate a fresh conversation where you can apply your newly acquired prompting skills. The page will refresh, displaying an empty chat interface. Now, think of the prompt you want to create. Consider what information or task you want Kimi AI to assist with. This step is crucial as it sets the direction for the AI's response. Type your prompt into the input field. For example, you might enter "make a timetable for me." This phrase will guide Kimi AI in generating the desired output. Ensure that your prompt is clear and specific to get the best results. Finally, click on the Generate button to submit your prompt. After this action, Kimi AI will process your request and provide a generated response based on your input. Be patient, as this may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your prompt. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.